Hello everyone, it's Mozo Solo Dev. Today I would like to share with you how to do this heat explosion VFX using Unity's particle system. So it is useful in situations where two objects collide and one of them gets destroyed, as you can see on the screen. So this is what it looks like. So if you want to get this, just check out the links in the description and subscribe if you want to know how to use this in games and other projects for when I publish a video about that. So firstly, create an empty game object and call it Heat Explosion VFX. Then reset its transform and move it a little bit upwards so that it doesn't collide with the ground. Then create a new particle system and disable looping. Then set the start lifetime as a random number between 0.2 and 0.8. Set the start speed between 4 and 20 and set the emission rate to 0 with a burst count as a random number between 20 and 25. Then change the shape to sphere and set a radius of about 0.2. Then set the start size as a random number between 0.1 and 0.4. Then in the renderer tab, change billboard to stretched billboard and set the speed scale to 0.05. Then create a new material and rename it orange just for its color. Then change its shader to universal render pipeline particle on lit. Then check emission and choose an orange color, then increase the intensity to about 2.5. And set the albedo to Unity's default particle texture. Then assign this material to the particle system, and this is what it looks like for now. Then we need to create a flash, so create a new particle system. Disable looping, set the start lifetime to 0.1, set the speed to 0 because it doesn't need to move. Then set the size to 5 and we don't need shape. Then set the emission rate to 0 with a burst count of 1. And then set the size over lifetime to this curve. Then in the renderer tab, assign the same material we created recently, and this is what it looks like. Then we need to create fire particles for the explosion, so create a new particle system. Disable looping, set the lifetime as a random number between 0.2 and 0.4. Set the speed between 0.5 and 2. Set the size between 0.5 and 1.5. And then the emission rate to 0 with a burst count of 10. Then change the shape to sphere and set a radius of about 0.2. Then change the size over lifetime to this kind of curve. And this is what it looks like. Then to make it more realistic, we need smoke, so duplicate the fire particle system and rename it to smoke. Then duplicate the orange material and call it smoke. And then just disable the emission. Then assign this smoke material to the smoke particle system we recently created. Then change its color to black and set its start size as a random number between 0.2 and 0.35. It needs to last longer, so change the start lifetime between 0.35 and 0.5. So this is the final result. So if you want to get this, check out the links in the description. And if you want to know how to use this in your games and in other projects like what you see on the screen right now, just subscribe for when I post videos about that. Also check out my other videos and the links in the description to get them. Thanks for watching.